Greetings, everyone. Today, we're delving into the dynamic realm of WooCommerce Delivery Notes, an integral component within WebToffee's WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin. Come along as we uncover why this tool is indispensable for fulfilling all your shipping and delivery needs. The WebToffee's WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin is a pro add-on to WebToffee's free WooCommerce PDF Invoices, Packing Slips, Delivery Notes, and Shipping Labels plugin. Before we dive in further, let's take a moment to highlight the key features of WooCommerce Delivery Notes. These are the key features offered by the Delivery Note. With the Pro add-on installed, you gain access to premium versions of 3 document types: the Shipping Label, the Dispatch Label, and the Delivery Note. Ensure you check out the dedicated videos spotlighting the features of Shipping Labels and Dispatch Labels. Once you've installed and activated both the free plugin and its Pro add-on, head to Invoice/Packing from your WordPress dashboard. Then, click on Delivery Note. This will open the Delivery Note settings page, where you can configure the Delivery Note settings. In the Product Display section, you have the option to organize products in a Delivery Note by category. Enabling this option will automatically group products based on their respective categories as shown here. You can also sort products in a Delivery Note based on either their name or SKU. Just choose your preferred sorting criteria from the drop-down menu. Showing variation data under each product becomes easier with this option. On enabling, the variation data will appear like this. You can also skip backorder and virtual items from the Delivery Note. Simply check the box next to the item you wish to exclude. Under the Advanced Options section, you can add meta fields and attributes to the Delivery Note. You can either select one from the drop-down or add one by clicking here. Upon clicking, specify a suitable field name and meta key. Similarly, you can add product meta fields and product attributes to the Delivery Note. The Delivery Note will showcase the order meta like this. In the Print section, you can attach a PDF copy of the Delivery Note to the order email. Simply select the desired order statuses from the drop-down menu. When an order matches one of these statuses, an email will be sent automatically with the PDF attached. By enabling this option, a Print Delivery Note button will be included in the order email. This allows customers to conveniently print the Delivery Note for their order directly from the email. Here, you can choose the language preference for the Delivery Note. Finally, click on Update Settings to save the changes. Now, let's check out the Customize tab, where you can further customize the appearance of the Delivery Note. When you click on the Customize tab, you'll see a preview of the Delivery Note's appearance. Click on Change Layout to select a layout for the Delivery Note. Once you've chosen a layout, you can customize the Delivery Note template further in the Editor panel on the right. The Editor panel displays all the elements in the Delivery Note. You can enable or disable an element from the Delivery Note using the toggle button next to it. Any changes you make in the Editor panel are immediately reflected in the visual editor. For more customization options, click on the right-pointing arrow of an element. For example, clicking on the right-pointing arrow next to the product table allows you to add more elements, delete existing ones, rename them, adjust alignment, and more. You can customize other elements in the same way. You can also use the code editor to customize the Delivery Note. To preview a sample PDF of the Delivery Note for an order, enter the order number and click here. Click here to view sample customization demos. Once you've finished customizing, save the template with a suitable name. If you have existing templates, click on Save and Activate to apply this template. Furthermore, here, you can access your previously created templates. You can activate, edit, or delete them as needed. Apart from these Delivery Note settings, you get a few more additional features upon installing the WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin. To access these settings, navigate to the General Settings under Invoice/Packing. Then, click on the Advanced tab. Under the Advanced tab, you'll find a range of features. These include adding extra fields to your WooCommerce Store's checkout page, enabling document preview before printing, activating RTL support, selecting packaging types, and more. Here's a sample Delivery Note generated with the WooCommerce Shipping Labels, Dispatch Labels, and Delivery Notes plugin. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more useful content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. For personalized assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team.